for submission and opening of bids, list of venue with full board accommodation for CSIS first quarter area meeting and project implementation workshop, PA number 202601030, end user CSIS. Sir, this is a negotiated procurement for list of real property and venue. Sir, the Secretariat confirms that we received 4 sealed quotations for this project. A quick background, Mr. Chair. We have sent RFQs to 3 different suppliers. 3 different hotels have received RFQs for this project, sir. And the Secretariat received 4 sealed quotations from Savoy Manila, Grand West Side Hotel Inc., Belmont Hotel, and Kingsford Hotel Manila. At this point, Mr. Chair, all interested bidders may now be admitted to our proceedings po. Mr. Chair, while we are waiting for the interested suppliers, Mr. Chair, the Secretariat would like to present a resolution designating the following as the technical working group for this project. Namely, Ms. Gladys Sapla, Ms. Patricia Serin Sanchez, Attorney Trinidad, and Mr. Badwa for consideration and adoption of the committee, Mr. Chair.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation of the technical working group assigning or designating Ms. Sapla and company to be the technical working group for this project.
Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. To all interested bidders who join us today, ma'am, sir, please be informed that this is the opening for the list of venue for the full board accommodation for CSI's first quarter area meeting. Ma'am, sir, please be informed that this proceeding is recorded for documentation and transparency purposes. For now po, may I respectfully ask each one of you po to please approach the mic and state the company. State your name and the company you represent po before we start. Maraming salamat po.
Identify yourselves in the mic for records purposes.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Seymour Pelayo, Senior Sales Manager, Kingsford Hotel, Manila. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Hi, good morning to all. I'm Joanne Abelia from Grand West Side Hotel.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning po. I'm Queen Lucas from Belmont Hotel, Manila.
Morning po.
Morning, everyone. I'm Pio Balagso from Savoy Hotel Manila, Sales Manager.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir, ma'am. Welcome to today's proceeding po. Mr. Chair, this is to confirm that all RFQs received are well represented. Permission to proceed to the opening, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. First is a sale quotation from a Kingsford Hotel Manila in the form of sealed long brown envelope. To the representative, ma'am, sir, ito po ba yung binigay niyong quotation sa Secretariat? With that confirmation, Mr. Chair, proceeding to the opening. Inside the sealed brown envelope, the following documents without paddings, pagination, nor initials on each and every page. Checklist, please.
Checklist. Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Issued to Kingsford Hotel Manila on February of 2025. Valid until December 31, 2025. Mayor's permit expired. Expired.
Mr. Chair, can we check if they attached a receipt for renewal for the 2026 mayor's permit?
To the representative, ma'am, we would like to inquire the supplier or this hotel have attached a official receipt for the renewal of mayor's permit?
Wala pa po sir, sa February 6 pa lang po kami makakapagbayad.
With that confirmation, thank you po. Yes, please.
Valid field job registration certificate.
Field job certificate issued to as shown on August 2025, valid until August 2026. In 3 pages, page 1, page 2, and page 3. Field job certificate suspended in view of
Mayor's permit.
third paragraph. Annex A, mayor's permit. Field job suspended.
Income business tax return.
Income business tax return for the year ended December 2024. Submitted.
Duly accomplished. Request for
Mr. Chair?
quotation.
Just a clarification, the income tax return is dated, that is for 2024.
Mr. Chair, this is filed for the tax period of 2024, filed on 2025.
Thank you.
Duly accomplished. Request for quotation. Proposal form in the prescribed format attached.
Submitted.
That is all for the eligibility requirements, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, since we are negotiated procurement to the chair, requesting guidance if we're going to read the financial offer of each hotels, or we can read it later po. Thank you, Mr. Chair. With this, the submitted documents of Kingsford Hotel Manila. Sir, the Secretariat would like to recommend the disqualification of this supplier for submitting or not complying to the requirements of CAAP, particularly in submitting a valid mayor's permit and a valid field job certificate, Mr. Chair.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation of the Secretariat for the disqualification of Kingsford Hotel Manila for submitting an expired mayor's permit and a field job certification which is suspended per NP non-policy matter of the GPPB. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I second the motion.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Proceed to the next opening, Mr. Chair. Next sale quotation is from Grand West Side Hotel Inc. To the representative.
Before we proceed, Mr. Chair, may we ask Mr. Chair Kingsford whether they will be filing a motion for consideration in view of their disqualification.
You're going to file now. Okay, no. Thank you po. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Again, for the opening of Grand West Side Hotel Inc. To the representative, ma'am, can you confirm ito po ba yung pinasan yung sale quotation sa Secretariat? With that confirmation, Mr. Chair, proceeding to the opening. Inside the sealed brown envelope are documents without tabbings, pagination, nor initials on each and every page. Check this, please.
Checklist. Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Mayor's permit, business permit. Issued to Grand West Side Hotel Inc. on February of 2025, valid until December 31, 2025, expired.
Sure, if I may, there's something written on the back po.
Mr. Chair, part of the submission of Grand Westside Hotel is a statement of account. What appears to be a statement of account as shown, Mr. Chair. And a signed letter from the senior sales manager, Grand Westside Hotel, which reads, please allow me, Mr. Chair, to read this one. That this is to certify that Grand Westside Hotel has renewed our mayor's permit for year 2026. All pertaining documents, PhilJeps will be supported with the SOA 2026. The mayor's permit certificate will be released by February 2026.
Mr. Chair, may we request the secretary to check if there is an official receipt from the city government of Pasay as regards to their payment for the renewal of mayor's permit. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, in reference to the attached submitted documents of this hotel, statement of accounts with BIN 2024010016, particulars, mayor's permit, business tax, Mr. Chair, this is to confirm that the Secretariat only noticed that there is only attached statement of accounts. With this, to the representative, ma'am, meron po ba kayong in-attach na official receipt supporting the statement of account? With that confirmation, Mr. Chair, mayor's permit expired. Permission to proceed, sir.
Please proceed.
Valid PhilJeps registration certificate.
PhilJeps certificate issued to Grand Westside Hotel Inc. on November 2025 until November 2026 with 3 pages. Page 1, page 2, and page 2. PhilJeps certificate suspended in view of Annex A Mayor's Permit expiration date December 31, 2025 in reference with third paragraph of first page of PhilJeps.
Income business tax return.
Annual income tax return for the year ended December 2024. Proof of filing reference number for the calendar year, tax period December 2024, date filed 2025, submitted.
Duly accomplished. Request for quotation. Proposal form in the prescribed format as attached.
Submitted.
That is all, Mr. Chair.
With this, Mr. Chair, the submission Secretariat would like to recommend that the submission of Grand Westside Hotel Inc. be disqualified for non-compliance of mayor's permit and submitting a suspended PhilJeps, Mr. Chair.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation disqualifying Grand Westside Hotel Incorporated for failure to submit a valid mayor's permit and due to the suspended field job certificate of registration.
I second the motion.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. To the representative, ma'am, are you going to file motion for reconsideration regarding this one? With that confirmation, thank you po. Permission to proceed, sir.
Proceed, please.
Next said quotation is from Belmont Hotel Manila. To the representative, sir, ma'am, ito po ba yung pinasa niyong quotation? With that confirmation, Mr. Chair, proceeding to opening. Inside the submission, sealed submission, are documents without tabbings, pagination, or initials on each and every page. Checklist, please.
Checklist. Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Mayor's permit issued by the City of Pasay. Issued on January 2026. Valid until March 31, 2026. Submitted.
Valid PhilJIPS registration certificate.
Issued to, as shown, on, until, with 3 pages. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Field jobs suspended. In view of Annex A, Mayor's Permit, not updated. Third paragraph, sir. Field job suspended.
Income business tax return.
Business tax return for the calendar year. Tax period, date filed 2025, submitted.
Duly accomplished. Duly accomplished. Request for quotation. Proposal form in the prescribed format attached.
Submitted.
That is all, Mr. Chair.
With this, Mr. Chair, the Secretariat recommends a disqualification of Belmont Newport Luxury Hotels for submitting a suspended field jobs, Mr. Chair.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation disqualifying Belmont Newport Luxury Hotels Incorporated for failure to submit a valid field job certificate of registration.
I second the motion.
Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. To the representative, ma'am, are you going to file motion for reconsideration regarding this matter? Salamat po. Next opening, sir, from Savoy Hotel Manila. The representative, sir, can you confirm ito po ba yung pinasa niyong quotation? Yes. With that confirmation, Mr. Chair, proceeding to the opening. Yes, Mr. Chair. Inside the submission are documents without tabbings, pagination, or initials on each and every page. Checklist, please.
Checklist. Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Business permit issued on January 2026, valid until March 31, 2026. Submitted.
Valid PhilJIPS registration certificate.
Issued to Savoy Hotel Manila on February 2025 until February 2026 with 3 pages. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Field job submitted.
Income business tax return.
Submitted.
Duly accomplished. Request for quotation. Proposal form in the prescribed format as attached.
Submitted.
The-
Inside the request for quotation, financial offer, signed, submitted in the amount of 1,430,000 pesos and 4 centavos. Submitted in the amount of 1,430,000 and 4 centavos. With no discount and below ABC. Mr. Chair, since this hotel, Savoy Hotel Manila is duly representative and we are in a negotiated procurement, Mr. Chair, the floor is now open for negotiation.
Morning, Mr. Chair.
Ano na yung first name mo? Anong palayo mo? What's your nickname?
Again, sir, Mr. Chair, my name is Theo Balagso, sales manager from Savoy Hotel Manila.
Theo.
Yes, sir.
Are you here really to negotiate or?
Yes, sir.
Ah?
Yeah.
Kaya lang nasa hallway ka. No? Anyway, dapat may discount yung hallway na yun. Ah. Babawiin natin ngayon yun. Oo. Ilan ba ang participants? 52 plus. Okay. Anong pleasure mo, Jimmy? 1M?
Sa akin kasi sir, senior discount 20%. Walang matitira.
Senior? Magkano yung computation?
Po niya sir is 1.430. Ang original po sa 1.823.
Ano 1.5? Hindi meron.
Sir, fair for the information for later. The ABC for this one is 1,822,733 pesos and 33 cents.
Ano,
Okay.
last time, manggaling tayo dito, di ba? The same, mas marami ba last year? Mas marami ngayon. Sinabi mo sana nga.
Parang ano yan sir, sa Divisoria, 4% na. Pagka 12 na yung mas mababa sa liga, 6 na piraso.
Alam niyo, sir,
4 piraso.
usually po, medyo ganun po siya.
How much po are you willing to give up on this one?
Well, actually, sir, upon discussion with this, sir, we already gave our best available rate, and we are actually confident, sir, by giving our best rate for you. So, at this stage,
You are not negotiating here.
Yeah.
Not negotiating.
but
Okay.
if there's any, we're open for any possibilities. If-
1.1.
What would be your offer?
1.1.
Well,
330.
malaki na wala, sir.
Yung chapsoy nyo, wala nga Baguio beans. 1.1? Edi,
Can be higher, sir.
what do you offer?
Okay po. I think we could offer like sarado po natin 1.4 kung kaya po.
Ibabaan mo. Ang batting average ko dito is 300,000 eh. Mababa ko.
Masarap naman po yung food sa Subway, sir.
Gawin mo ng 1,250.
Pwede po pa humiram ng calculator.
Oo. Yung cellphone mo.
Supporting mo na yung kaping.
Okay. Yun na.
Sorry, sir. 1.250.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Can we make it like 1.3, sir? 1.3200. Kung kaya po.
1.3.
200.
Magkano yung business card mo? 1,450,
110.
1.2. Di bali, nagre-reduce ka naman ulit.
110.
110.
110 daw po yung pambigay ng discount.
Discount?
430.
Eh, bakit may 200 pa? So,
1.320.
1.320.
1.320.
110 yung binawas from the original.
Tanggalin mo na yung 20.
Sige, sir.
1.3.
Sarado na na 1.3. Okay.
1.3, sarado.
Yes po.
Oh. Ilang ulam yan? Di ba rin, yung katabi no, Starbucks.
Basta wala lang daw mga big sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
1.3?
Thank you, sir. With this, does the end user accept the offer 1,300,000?
No, wag lang tilapia, sir.
Bangus pwede.
Noted po, ma'am.
Okay. Here. 1.3. Motion.
To the representative, sir, can you confirm? Tama po ba? The new offer is in the amount of 1,300,000.
Definitely, yes, sir. Confirm.
Thank you, sir. With that, sir, the submitted documents of Savoy Hotel Manila is initially rated as passed, and the Secretariat recommends that these documents be forwarded to the technical working group to undergo bid evaluation process.
The negotiated price of 1.3 million, Mr. Chair, move to adopt the recommendation of the Secretariat
Thank you, sir.
for the conduct of bid evaluation and submission of Savoy Hotel Manila.
I second the motion.
Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. To all our suppliers, hotels, sir, ma'am, maraming salamat po for joining us. You are now excused for the rest of proceedings. Salamat po.
Thank you, sir.